The Grenadian fans expectant. They should be so proud of what they have achieved here. Azai Gardner will lead off for Antigua and Barbuda. Bahamas, they go in lane number 7. Make that lane number 4, apologies. Grenada in lane 5. There's Gardner for Antigua and Barbuda, the lead-off runner.
On your marks.
Tight inside lane. That's number 1. Under 20 boys, 4x400 final.
Set.
Antigua, Barbuda, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, Grenada, Jamaica, Guyana, and Barbados. Grenada have the 400 champion on the opening leg. Gave them a fine start in qualifying today.
Guyana.
And he's looking to do that again tonight, the Guyanese. Javon Pinnock seems to be on the opening leg for Jamaica. Trinidad and Tobago have stopped here. No, it's Kamaria Bygrave on the opening leg for Jamaica. Guyana and Jamaica. Barbados going well on the outside in lane 8 as well. The 400 champion, the 46-35 man, steps away to give Guyana a slight advantage over Jamaica. Brilliant run by the 800-1500 champion, and the officials getting caught in the way of some of the athletes there as Marcinia Rose takes the baton for Jamaica. The 400 silver medalist goes in front. Guyana in second. Terrific start for them. They're in medal position. Rose wants to leave with a gold medal, and he opens up the advantage for the Jamaicans. Barbados in third. They have a shot at the medal as well. St. Vincent and the Grenadines in fourth. Down the home stretch they come. Rose for Jamaica. Guyana, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada following. Here they come. Javon Pinnock has the baton now for Jamaica. Falls started in the 400 final. Was on the third leg of the silver medal winning 4x100 team last night. Is this his moment of glory as he flies down the backstretch? The Jamaicans are well clear here. 3:05.68, the CARIFTA record. Pinnock still flying. Guyana still in second position. Barbados in third. St. Vincent and the Grenadines in fourth. Grenada not out of it yet. They are in fifth position. Here they come to the final change. It's Jamaica. They have, is that Jaquan Coke on the anchor leg? It is Jaquan Coke, you know. First we're seeing him for the CARIFTA Games. Well, second, he was in the 1500. Silver medalist in the 1500. Shocker seeing him on the 4x4 team, but the Jamaicans are so far clear. There's a mad battle on for the silver medal. Guyana holding that position. Grenada coming forward. Barbados there as well. St. Vincent and the Grenadines just off the pace. Coke is fighting and holding on for Jamaica. He is so far clear. He's not going to be caught. Guyana in second. Grenada in third. Barbados in fourth. Jamaica, Guyana, Grenada, Barbados. That's the way they go across the line. The Jamaicans sweep the 4x4s. The Grenadines have another medal to celebrate. Guyana with a silver medal. And Terra finished here. It is fitting.
The men's 4x400m relay at the 2024 CARIFTA Games turned into a gripping showcase of raw speed, tactical execution, and undeniable supremacy. Once again, Jamaica rose above the rest, delivering a masterclass that highlighted their long-standing dominance in Caribbean athletics. From the crack of the starter's pistol, the tension was palpable. Lining up with fierce determination were squads from Antigua and Barbuda, the Bahamas, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, Guyana, Barbados, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Every team arrived with one goal in mind, standing on the podium, and the stadium erupted with anticipation as the race began. Grenada, powered by their freshly crowned 400m champion, surged ahead to set the early pace. Guyana stayed right in the mix, while Jamaica, ever confident, kept themselves well-positioned. As the first exchange approached, the roars from the stands grew louder, feeding the intensity of a tightly contested battle for control. The second lap completely shifted the race. Jamaica's Marini Rose, silver medalist in the individual 400m, seized command with a blistering run that carved open a significant gap. Guyana stayed resilient in second, while Barbados and St. Vincent fought hard to stay alive in the medal race. Grenada, after their explosive start, began to feel the strain but refused to fall away completely. The third leg belonged to Jamaica's Javon Penn, eager to redeem himself after a heartbreaking false start in the individual 400m final. He delivered an emphatic performance, stretching the lead even further and stamping Jamaica's authority. Behind him, Guyana clung to second as Barbados and Grenada fought tooth and nail for third. With the final baton handoff, Jamaica looked untouchable while the battle for silver and bronze reached its peak. Jaquan Chino, the anchor for Jamaica, brought composure and precision to the last lap. Smooth and controlled, he carried the baton across the line without giving rivals a chance, securing Jamaica's golden moment. Behind him, Guyana held off a late surge from Grenada, while Barbados narrowly missed out on the medals. The finish order sealed Jamaica's supremacy. First place for the Jamaicans, silver for Guyana, and bronze for Grenada. Barbados had to settle for fourth, but the race left fans buzzing with excitement. Jamaica's victory was not just another win. It was a reaffirmation of their status as the region's premier relay nation. This performance underscored Jamaica's legendary tradition on the track. It showcased their depth of talent, relentless training culture, and the unique connection between the island and sprinting excellence. Year after year, they continue to rise to the occasion, proving their consistency on the grandest stages. With the 2025 season on the horizon, races like this fuel the passion of fans and remind everyone why athletics captivates the world. Jamaica has once again set the benchmark, ensuring the Caribbean sprinting legacy remains vibrant and full of promise. Stay tuned for more unforgettable moments, and make sure to subscribe for the best in athletics coverage.